Hi, all remote learners. So today we have two videos. One is for your STEMscopepedia, and then we have our vocabulary. So make sure you watch both videos based off of both things because you have questions that you need to answer. So we're going to go with our vocabulary for this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first vocabulary word is camouflage. It's a characteristic that helps animals blend in with the surrounding environment and increase their chances of survival. So we can see here we have a bunny or a rabbit that we have here, and we have it right here in the snow. So it is camouflage with the snow so that any predators do not come after them. And we'll learn about predators in this vocabulary section a little more. Next is characteristic, a feature that helps identify something. So we see here the characteristics for this animal or this dog is possibly, it being a dog or the coat or anything like that, some type of thing that points out a feature from them. So we can see that they have a long snout. That could be a feature based off or a characteristic based off of this type of dog. So it's, again, characteristic is a feature that helps identify something. Environment, the space, conditions, and all the living and non-living things around an organism. So we have learned about organisms from our last unit. So you need to really reflect back over what an organism is. So we can see this environment based off of the picture here. That is environment. So it has non-living and living things around an organism. So it's a big space, everything like that. Next is function. Function is what something does. So it's anything, how it moves, whatever the function is. So this crab, it has several different functions. It has its front claws for it, to use its pinchers. So we have a function for that. Why do they use this? That is something that's very important because it tells you different things about different animals. Next is organism. So yes, they're giving you more information about organism, and we have learned about organism from our previous unit. So organism is a single self-contained living thing. So we can see here we have all these different types of butterflies. These are organisms. So organism is a butterfly. Next is a predator. So an organism that hunts and feeds on another organism. So that is a predator. We can see that the wolf that is in there is going to try to eat the duck that is in the picture. So again, the wolf is the predator, and we'll learn about what prey is in a little bit, and that's based off of what the duck is. Right here, like I said just a few minutes ago, is about prey. So prey is an animal that is hunted as food. So it's someone that is being hunted. So based off of the previous picture that we saw, it was the duck that was being hunted. Structure is an arrangement of parts. So we can see based off of this picture is an arrangement of something that they're building to make either a house, whatever it may be, but it's the building block for it. So that's your structure. You can have internal or external structures. These are our vocabulary words. You have questions and Teams in your forms document. Make sure you submit your forms document and then go back to Teams and turn it in. If you have any questions, please message me on Teams.